Today I will show you the single panel composition and assembly of our new star product,
Jade.
Each panel can be divided into 3 parts. It contains 1 cabinet and 2 modules. The thickness of the cabinet is 30 mm, and there are 3 holes on the upper and lower edges respectively. The holes distributed on both sides are used to connect the quick locks of the upper and lower cabinets. The cable holes in the middle are used to connect the signal cables and power cables of the upper and lower cabinets. The inner cabinet is divided into left and right areas. The left area has a receiving card and a hub board underneath, which is responsible for signal transmission. And then in the right area we have our anti-slip rope holding guard and power supply. Regarding the modules, the size ratio is 250 mm squared, and the thickness is 16 mm. The pixel pitch is to 0.6 mm and the surface adopted glue-on board technology. Then there are 2 labels on the back of the module. The first label shows the product batch, and the second indicates its corresponding cabinet and its connection position. For instance, the batch of this module is Jade to 0.6, which also matches to the left area of cabinet number 4. The power input port and signal cable port are located on the right of the module. Meanwhile, we put 8 magnet spots around the edge of it to help fix module to the cabinet. In order to prevent the module from falling off the cabinet during installation or removal, an anti-slip rope is provided in the middle of the module. Similarly, the parameters of the right module are the same as those of the left module. There are 2 ports and labels, and an anti-stripping rope on the back, which are mirror symmetrical distributed in layout. Now we're going to show you how to assemble it. Considering that the position of the hand guard is on the right side of the cabinet, the first step is to install the left module. First, hold the module with your hand, and then fix the anti-slip rope to the hand guard of the right side of cabinet through the central slot. Then connect the power cable and network cable respectively. By the way, the side with the port should be near the middle of the cabinet. Carefully rotate the module to face up, close them, and use magnets fit the module in the cabinet. Then we assemble the right module as the same as the way we did. Finally, a complete panel is assembled.